how to log into your account in OneXBet app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded and installed the OneXBet app. After that, launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to log into your account, at the top, you can see this login option. Tap on it. In order to log into your account, you must have already created your account before. You can use the same account credentials that you used to create your account before. Provide your email address, and right below that, enter the password of your registered account. After that, you can select this login option. If you have created your account using your Google accounts, your Twitter, then you can select accordingly, and you'll be able to successfully log into your account in OneXBet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.